My name is Carrie, and I'm a preschool teacher for students who have special needs. And many of my students have what you would call expressive language delays. They, for whatever reason, cannot speak. Maybe it's a medical need, or they choose not to speak. It's just difficult for them. And I want to show you a device that I'm hoping will help one of my students in particular. This is the Tech Talk, and it is by Advanced Multimedia Designs, Inc., and you often see it written as that acronym, AMDI. What this device does, it's an alternative and augmentative communication device. You hear that called an AAC, a type of assistive technology. And this device has 8 cells, and each cell has a word. So, let me show you. This is a board that is pretty common. It has a lot of functional words for a student to use. They can say things like eat,
drink,
or drink. It has real voice technology. So what you want to do with this is use a recorded voice, or get a student to record this voice that is of the same age and gender of the student who is going to use the board, so it really sounds like them. So I had a little girl the same age as my student do the recording of these words, and you can see some of the words: eat and drink, functional words. Go can mean continue, go can mean turn the page, go can mean lots of things. Stop, same thing. It can mean stop this particular thing. It can mean I don't like this. It can mean stop this activity. It could mean I'm all done. And help, self-explanatory. So this board can be switched out also. And you can use the tool for technology, instructional methods. And this has numbers, so I just put this board in and replace it. And I can do the numbers 1, 2, 3, so forth. I could also use story pictures, and a child could retell me a story or answer a question I had about a story. Let me show you the back of this. It has a microphone and a record button, and then it has 12 levels. So each level represents a board. So you could record 8 things, 12 different levels. So 8 times 12 would be the total number. Each message is 4.5 seconds. You could get additional jacks to increase that message time if you need to. Let me show you how easy it is to record. All you do is turn it on, press the record button, and hold down the cell that you want to record. Eat.
eat,
So it's done. But it doesn't take long. It's also very sturdy and durable. You can drop it. You could spill water on it. So you don't have to necessarily worry about this getting banged up in a classroom as you would maybe something that's a little more fragile. The downside is that it's pretty bulky, kind of a pain to take with you everywhere. You could get a strap and hook it on here, but still it would be a little obtrusive, and it's kind of hard to move in the classroom. So let me tell you how to make these boards. Probably a lot of you know this software by Meyer Johnson. It's BoardMaker Plus. They have templates you can download that already fit this communication board as well. So excited about it. I'm hoping my student will use it as a bridge to language. Research shows that an AAC device does not replace language for a child who can speak, but rather encourages and motivates them to use language. So my hope is that my student will use this as a bridge to start speaking and using her own voice more.